So what's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today I have a special videos for all the students out there. This is an amazing tool that is going to help you with your math problems. So today I'm going to be presenting to you Cymath, and this is a very amazing tool which is essentially going to allow you to solve all the problems you might have in maths, and it's going to present you with the step-by-step process for you to get to the answer. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. So in order to use this tool, you want to head straight away to cymath.com, where you'll be presented with this simple interface. There's really not much into it. So you just have this input box and you can choose maybe the topic you would like to explore, differentiate, expand, and so on and so forth. Or you can just go straight ahead and enter into this input box the problem you have. You have already an example of how it works. You can put in the symbols. You can have this keyboard to show you some complicated symbols if you can't find them on your keyboard, or you can go ahead and put in the equation you have here, and it's going to show you the step-by-step process to get the answer. So let's go ahead and try some examples to show you just how this works. So let's go ahead and put in some equations. You're going to go ahead and put in. So you can see this is a very basic equation. 5x plus 3 is equals to 18. So it's a very basic equation. We're going to solve for this. So once you put in the equation, you press enter. It's going to show you now the process. You can see here, it shows you step by step how you get to the answer. So subtract 3 from both sides. Then you move on to this. It gives you that. Then simplify 18 minus 3. It gives you the 15, and so on and so forth. So you can see how clearly it details each step and all that was done to get there. So simply put, you can use this tool to really get you step-by-step process to get to the answer. Okay, so this was a simple equation. Let's try something a little more complex and see what we get. Okay, we know that math equations can have symbols, have different signs, and it can be complex to put them in an input box. So I recommend you check how the formatting, right? How you can use a keyboard to enter complex equation. You can check out that formatting, how it is done, and you're going to see the different symbols which are used to represent different things. So for example here, if you use this symbol, it shows that everything that comes after that goes upwards. So you can see it has formatted the equation correctly here. So 3 to the power x plus 1 is equals to 81. So with that, we go ahead and check out how to solve this. So as you can see, in about 4 steps, it shows you how to get to the answer, and it clearly tells you what was done there. Convert both sides to the same base, cancel the base of 3 on both sides, and so on and so forth. So I really like how it details these things really precisely. So you can definitely check this out to really solve all the math equation problems you have. So let's try one last example to just kind of prove how powerful this tool is. Yeah, so this is a final example. We'll go with something logarithmic. So you see, log to the base 2 of x plus 3 plus log to the base 2 of x minus 1 is equals to 3. So let's go ahead and solve for that. And as you can see here, it is really taking its time to solve all of this. It used over 11 steps to get to the answer, but it did so very well, and it explains to you everything it did in all of the steps. So there you have it, guys. To all the students out there, you want to definitely check out this tool. It's going to allow you to solve a lot of your math problems very easily and very concisely. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below if you would like to know more about this tool. Catch you on the next one.